A Southwest Side Burger King was at the center of the trial of former Chicago Alderman Ed Burke. And NBC5's Bennett Haeberle has the latest from inside the courtroom.
Was it a friendly business meeting or an alleged shakedown? That's the question jurors must weigh in the corruption trial of Ed Burke, who was for decades the most powerful alderman in Chicago. Burke was indicted in 2019 on charges of racketeering, extortion, and bribery, accused of dangling immense government power to reel in business for his law firm, specializing in property tax work. Prosecutors say one potential client he tried to lure was Texas-based fast food mogul Shokat Dinani, who owns 150 Burger Kings in the Chicago area, including one in Burke's ward.
But I'd also like to get some of his law business and get him involved.
That's Burke speaking of Dinani in a wiretapped phone call to their mutual friend, Texas politician Rodney Ellis. Burke's defense attorneys today cross-examined Dinani, drilling down on a lunch he had with Burke at the Union League Club in late 2017. Dinani testified that the city had abruptly halted his remodel of that Burger King, and he came to Chicago looking to resolve the stoppage. In this meeting at the Union League Club, Mr. Burke did not threaten you, Burke's attorney asked. Correct, the businessman answered. And he did not demand that you give him legal business, otherwise he would hold up your remodeling, did he? Burke's defense attorney continued. Correct, Dinani said. Burke's attorneys attempted to paint Dinani as eager to connect with the alderman for his own gain, highlighting another wiretap phone call in which he inquired about getting his business into Chicago airports.
Last time we discussed a little bit about those closed McDonald's at the Midway Airport.
Yes.
What do we need to do or should we do to get started to see if we can get in with the Burger Kings?
Ultimately, Dinani did not transfer his tax business to Burke's law firm, and the remodel of that Burger King resumed. Also charged in the alleged scheme is longtime Burke aide Peter Andrews. His attorneys attempted to distance him from the interactions between Dinani and the former alderman. Bennett Haeberle, NBC5 News.